standing in a showroom of wall stability air conditioner. Today I will introduce our popular models to you. We have 4 panels for your choice, and we can do capacity from 9,000 BTU to 24,000 BTU, and we can make T1 or T3 climate. We can do non-invert and invert, and we can do cooling only and cooling and heat. And we can I show you this. We can do the heating display here, and for the airflow it can be up and down, left and right. So you can see the noise is also not it's very quiet, so you can feel free at home when it works. So if you are interested in our air conditioner, just contact us freely. See you.